threads to trends, welcome to the textile powerhouse of Prits Group. Welcome to a journey of tradition and craftsmanship, where every thread tells a story. Our design team fuses tradition with trend, crafting each concept with precision and creativity to convert mood boards to life. Led by visionary leaders and driven by a passionate team, Prits Group's textile division is a symbol of craftsmanship, consistency, and culture. In our state-of-the-art sampling unit, ideas come to life, stitched to perfection before entering production. Here, art meets purpose. Each textile passes through a rigorous process, crafted with heart, tested with standards. From handlooms to machines, the journey is precise. Quality isn't an option, it's the foundation. Our production floor is where efficiency meets excellence. Every process is streamlined. Every stitch tells a story. From skilled hands to rich heritage, our fabrics are more than cloth. They are culture woven into elegance. Witness the harmony of color, texture, and precision. From surface ornamentation to perfect finishes, our finishing unit enhances each garment's personality and value. Each fold carries a legacy. Each piece, a signature of excellence. This is more than fabric. It's storytelling through style. Every shipment leaves our warehouse sealed with care, punctuality, and purpose, destined for global fashion leaders. Quality isn't a checkpoint, it's a mindset. From the first cut to the final fold, our quality assurance pros